This is interview. My work is my. Do I need to tell that all? 22 and 2, hello? Yes, no, I cannot tell you. Hi, hello. 10 and 2, hello po. Hindi kita nakikita. I do farming. I know how to farm. I know how to take care of the pigs and other animals, and I know how to plant corn, to plant other vegetables. I know how to plant. So I know farming because we grow in the farm. We grow in the bukid. You know, I don't know, you know bukid, but yeah, we grow in the farm, and I am proud of it. Kahit minsan may mga taong minamaliit ka dahil nga ganun ka lang, sila na feeling nila nakakaangat sila sa iyo kasi ganun ang estado nila. So, choice nila yan. So, buhay ko to. So, yon lang ang masasabi ko. 18 and 2, yes, I do. Me also. I know how to plant. We farm the land. Yeah. Pokray. And yeah, we also, we have a rubber plantation, like, I think, 3 hectares, the rubber. I don't know. My father, she, he has a rubber. You know what is rubber? The rubber, the one, the, I, I forgot what is the dagta. I do, okay. We have a rubber plantation. 6 viewers and 2. Hello guys. Thank you so much. Hello sa silent viewer. Hello po. Magpo talaga ako kasi baka matanda kayo sa akin. Pagalang ba? Magalang man ako eh. Mahilig ako magpo at upo sa mga nakakatanda sa akin. Kahit nga hindi matanda sa akin, nagpo at upo pa din ako. 7 and 2, hello. We do farming also, Carlton Brown. We have a rubber, we have coconut, we have fruits in our land. We have, you know what is bamboo? We have so many bamboo. The bamboo, I know how many varieties of bamboo we have. And we have also fruits in our land. And we have also the tree. So we do the lumber ba? We do as a lumber. You know what is lumber? Yes. So sometimes we do have rubber. Okay, we're the same. So you have rubber also. We have also rubber. My father. Aray, ang sakit ng likod ko.